Hey people, and for this video, we'll be showing you how to stop people from randomly joining your Roblox game. Because, for example, you may be on your mobile or on the PC. If you go over to friends and you see them online, you can easily tap the join game and they would automatically be in your game, especially if they are in your friends list. But if you want absolutely no one to join your game, maybe you're just in the mood for some solo gaming, on mobile it would be on the bottom right of your phone, tap on more. On PC it is on the top right, and I am going to click on the gear icon and just go to settings, go to privacy and content maturity, let's go to visibility and private servers, then go to visibility again. And as you can see, by default, it's friends and people I follow. Just set it to no one. It will automatically turn off the activity updates as well. And there you go. That will definitely stop people from joining your game. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, maybe leave a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.